You can expect a lot from the 2013 Ram 1500.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. The following features are included: one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.